Color red taking over the U.S. today and our newsroom, in fact, as the American Heart Association works to raise money and awareness for women's heart disease, the #1 killer of women.
We often think about it for men.
Right.
My wife and I talk about this. It's so important for women to get checked. One Boca woman says she almost joined that stat from a little-known heart condition, but she lived to talk about it. News Channel 5's Amy Lippman sat down with her today. Amy.
Kelly and Michael, anyone can take this risk factor test from the American Heart Association, but what about those who really don't have any risk factors? That's what Shawn Sherlock found out. She's young, eats healthy, works out, but her heart had its own plans. Today, Shawn Sherlock sports a red dress. But last Go Red for Women Day, she was in a hospital gown.
You never know, like me, when tomorrow's going to be a different day.
Alexa.
This video is from January 27th of last year.
Today is chocolate cake day.
Her family was getting ready for the day.
And in the middle of videotaping it, all of a sudden, it's so weird because it's like everybody says, I felt like an elephant sat on my chest.
Her husband rushed her to the hospital.
This can't be a heart attack.
Tests determined it was, in fact, a heart attack, but the cause?
You have a rare condition called SCAD.
Spontaneous coronary artery dissection. Sherlock's veins were so thin they tore, causing blood to clot.
In the state of Florida, there's under 10 people that have had this.
But this Go Red for Women Day, she's out of a hospital bed and celebrating life with other survivors.
I would love to be like, we did it. We did it. We came out on the back end.
Because her heart has more than one purpose now.
I'm young, and I promise you this, I'm going to spend the rest of my life telling people about this.
So the Mayo Clinic says SCAD most commonly affects healthy women in their 40s and 50s who don't have any risk factors. Sherlock is actually part of a Mayo Clinic study aimed at finding out more about the rare condition. Live in the newsroom, Amy Lippman, WPTV News.